the past few weeks, the country has spotlighted the public way more than before, and rightfully so. A major conference is on the offing, a conference that will herald a new phase into the journey towards 35%. You may ask, what is towards 35%? It may interest you to know that over the last years, as presented earlier by Commissioner Munyonjo, our public weight bill has consistently remained above the 35% weight bill to revenue threshold, implying that it has been and continues to be fiscally unsustainable, thus shrinking the resources available for development and other priority government agenda. You will notice from the presentation by Commissioner Munyonjo that 47.3% of our revenue goes to the weight bill.
This topic is extremely important. I must say that I have been part of this conversation right from 2014 in the first weight bill conference that I helped, to put together. And I must say that for us, we have seen many more improvements. It is really, way off from where we ought to be. Let me just put into context what reduction from 43% to 35% means. As the chair has said, it means 80 billion shillings. What that means is that I'm just looking at some of the sectors, like the road sector. Our road sector is barely moving at all. Projects are abandoned all over the country.
Doctors, because most of them have
tugetigane nayo icio ciegie uramati wa micara ya aruti wira